can't believe this is the only place open right now. Make me come in here. Bartender! You can't see me, bartender? Why are you not already here? Where's my drink?
Hi, Susan.
Hello, David.
Did you have a good Christmas?
Yes, I spent thousands of dollars on ungrateful children. It was fantastic.
Oh, that's cool. Were you off this week?
Definitely off because I've been drinking all week so I can get away from all of these nasty, entitled children. And the adults, too.
I didn't think you had children.
I have children, David.
I'm sorry.
It's not my fault you don't take the time to know me.
Yeah.
What are we doing? Why are you even talking to me? Can you just pour my drink?
What would you like?
I don't know. Make me something. You don't know what I want?
You said you were drinking all week. What did you drink?
Whatever someone put in front of me.
Dirty Martini?
I love a dirty martini, David. You know that. I don't drink your cheap little drinks. If we're gonna have a drink, we need to have a drink that's built for a woman, not a child.
What kind of vodka would you like in your martini?
David, once again, I'm a top shelf girl. I will take Grey Goose.
Absolute? Okay.
David,
Yeah.
are you pouring Absolute?
No, absolutely not.
I would like Grey Goose, David. Do your ears not work today?
I'm sorry, you wanted Grey Goose.
Grey Goose.
I'll pour you some Grey Goose.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Extra vermouth or just a normal amount of vermouth?
I can't believe you don't know what I want.
You know, Susan, I love when you come in here. I'm just trying to figure out what it is you want. And
Yeah, most men can't figure out what I want. They have small brains.
how many olives would you like?
3.
No insult that time? Come on, I expect better from you. Shaken or stirred?
Stirred.
Good, yeah, stirred.
Wouldn't stir require the little stick, David?
I know you're used to a little stick, but no, it doesn't need a little stick.
That was rude. Do you treat all your customers like that?
Nope, just you. One dirty martini and a smile.
Thank you. It's about time. Just gonna taste this. Looks like you actually know how to make a decent martini.
Thank you. I know that was you being nice.
I've had a hard day shopping, David. Just leave me alone.
Okay.